You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. So, Chief Justice of India made a remark about youth, calling them cockroaches. And India's Gen Z made a party out of it. Party of cockroaches. Cockroach Janata Party. On May 15, Chief Justice Suryakant, during a Supreme Court hearing on fake law degrees, described certain unemployed youth as cockroaches who don't get any employment, don't have a place in profession. Some become media, some become RTI activists, and they start attacking everyone. He later clarified that he was misquoted, that the remark targeted those with fraudulent credentials, not broadly youth. But the clarification came after the clip had been already viewed millions of times. And within 48 hours, Abhijit Dipke, a 30-year-old PR student at Boston University and a former social media strategist for Aam Aadmi Party. Yes, many people don't know this yet, but check out his X posts and LinkedIn, you'll realize it. He launched a party on various social media platforms, a Google form, 5-point manifesto, and a party symbol. Lakhs of registration, lakhs of registered members in 72 hours. Millions of Instagram followers. Cockroach Janata Party is still going. TMC MP Mahua Moitra and Kirti Azad publicly engaging. Civil society voices adding clauses to this manifesto. All in 3 days. No registered party, no funding, no election commission status, just a swarm, just a sparkle, the chingari, what you call in Hindi. But the manifesto itself is worth reading carefully. No Chief Justice shall receive a Rajya Sabha seat post-retirement. If any legitimate vote is deleted, the Chief Election Commissioner shall be arrested under UAPA. Women shall receive 50% reservation without expanding parliament. Adani and Ambani media houses shall have their licenses cancelled. Defecting MPs and MLAs shall be barred from public office for 20 years. The party also demanded the Education Minister's resignation over NEET paper leak, stating students are committing suicide, which is a fact, and we are with him on this. And called on CBSE to immediately scrap its rechecking fee. And these are not fringe positions. Many has been raised by legal experts, civil society groups, and opposing parties for years, but not with that impact. But it raises an obvious question. Why did it take a satirical party founded on a Google form to put them in writing? The frustration fueling this movement has a factual basis. Just take the NEET UG 2026 paper leak, which forced 23 lakh students to resit the examination after a multi-state cheating network was exposed. The youth unemployment rate, who you are calling cockroaches in the 20 to 24 age group, hovered around 44 to 45% through 2025. 84% of Gen Z in India say that they feel unprepared to find job in 2026. The CGP did not manufacture its frustration. It pre-arrived. But what CGP deserves scrutiny for is the claim that they are independent. The founder has a documented Aam Aadmi Party background. The manifesto excludes BJP supporters by name while positioning itself beyond party lines. The accounts the movement applies online reflect a consistent ideological direction, and two of the first prominent figures to publicly engage with it were opposition MPs. None of this makes the demands wrong. It does make the framing worth questioning. A movement demanding independent media while visibly operating in an ideological system. A party demanding electoral accountability while yet to disclose its own funding and connections. A 3-day-old organization demanding public trust, the same public which can support in full extent and can even withdraw it in the same speed if felt betrayed. Take Raghav Chadha, for example, the most recent one. He was a Gen Z hero 6 months back, but it doesn't look like one now. The founder of Cockroach Janata Party says that it has started as a joke, but gradually has moved beyond a joke now. Perhaps India has seen movements like this before, which felt something genuine, something revolutionary, and then became something else entirely. The manifesto is public, the questions are simple, but the answers, so far, are not. That's the picture for now. Keep watching the Central Post and we'll keep you updated with whatever else comes up.